The South African Reserve Bank periodically upgrades banknotes to protect the value and security of our currency. The latest key changes are: the big 5 animals appear as a family on the back of each banknote. The watermark portrait on each banknote will be of an animal. The color-changing security thread has a dynamic movement effect when tilted. A spinning circle feature at the bottom right of each banknote, and improved accessibility features for the blind and partially sighted, including raised printing on the edges of each banknote and enhanced colors. The upgraded banknotes maintain the same denominations, sizes, and dominant colors as the existing banknote series. All banknotes issued by the SARB remain legal tender and retain their respective face value, irrespective of the issue date. The latest upgraded banknotes will be used together with the banknotes already in circulation. The SARB does not demonetize its currency.